Dremel Digilab 3D45 award-winning 3D printer, idea builder with heated build plate to print nylon, Eco-ABS, PETG, plot at 50 micron resolution. Dremel Digilab 3D45 was granted PCMag 2018 Editor's Choice Award. Easily removable glass build plate heated up to 100 degrees centigrade, and all-metal 0.4mm nozzle heated up to 280 degrees centigrade, 5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons for easy setup and operation. Go from unboxing to your first print in less than 15 minutes. Fully enclosed sturdy plastic design with a 6.7x10x6 build volume for better prints, better safety and less chance for warping. A carbon filter and particulate filter are built in as well. Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in HD camera and included remote printing software, so you can print and monitor your prints from anywhere. You can also print over a local network without internet or via USB. RFID built in to detect the filament type, PLA, Nylon, Eco-ABS, PETG, inserted and to automatically change printer settings and to track filament left on the spool. Unsurpassed reliability. There is nothing worse than an extruder clogging up. Based on Dremel's proprietary sensor technology, the 3D45 is engineered to run as smooth as butter and resist clogging. We want you to make, not repair. Advanced filaments, nylon and Eco-ABS. Advanced materials like nylon and Eco-ABS can mimic the properties of functional injection molded parts. The 3D45 has a heated plate and an even more robust extruder to allow for printing these advanced materials. Designed by and for engineers, Dremel is part of the Bosch Group, one of the world's top engineering firms, which comes out with 22 patents per working day. Designed by and for Bosch engineers, the 3D45 enables development of their next-generation innovations. RFID Filament Recognition. Dremel's 3D45 is the only 3D printer that will automatically update the G-code for optimal extruder and build plate temperatures, in addition to print speeds and feeds by recognizing. Free shipping. Click below now.